Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a braid out on my hair from scratch. As always, we're starting on freshly washed hair and I'm just going back in with some water to rehydrate my hair before applying my leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I'm using is from Smith. It's the Hydrate and Plump leave-in. I've had this for a few months now and it's nearing its end. I really love this product. I don't know where I stand on if I'm gonna get it again or not. But yeah, I'm applying this product throughout my hair and saturating it before going in and detangling my hair from the ends first before detangling from root to tip, and I will be doing that all over my hair. When I was editing this video, I actually realized this might have been the reason for the flaking that you will see kind of later on in the video. I applied too much leave-in. Typically I apply just enough for my hair to like really absorb it, but this time it looks like I applied way too much. Once I'm done detangling, I'm gonna go in with the coily custard from the Miss Jessie's hair brand. This is more thinner than what I would typically consider a custard is. Like the consistency is way thinner. The texture does give custard, but I'm gonna section my hair off and apply it to that specific section. And I'm not really using a comb to separate my hair. I'm literally just freehanding and just making sure the section that I'm going to braid is saturated with the product, but also making sure I'm smoothing the product into my hair as well before braiding, because the smoother my hair is, the better the style comes out, which is what I've realized. And I'm just braiding the length of my hair, and when I get to the very ends, I'm using my fingers to twirl my hair around my fingers, kind of like a curl or a coil, and that just kind of like seals the braid itself and it gives for better results. So I've kind of put the video on regular speed right here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm also making sure to take a section that is not too big because my hair is so short. I cannot really do a jumbo braid. It will not give me the definition that I want and it will not last as long as I would like it to last. So you want to pick a section, or you want to pick a size that is just right, that you can still comfortably braid and give you that definition that you're looking for. And obviously you braid your hair down, and then you will see when I get to the end, I twirl my hair around my fingers, and I will just repeat that all over my head. Now, obviously you can use any product that you want for your braid out. I just find like a gel or a custard, it kind of works best for my hair type. It gives me the results that I want. But you know, if you're not really looking for a super defined look, and you know, whatever your preference is, you use whatever product that you want to use. You don't have to use exactly what I use, okay? But you just want to make sure your hair will be really hydrated, really moisturized, and really saturated with whatever it is that you're using, because you want your hair to shine after you've braided it down. This is how you know, this is a telltale sign of how your braid out is going to come out. Now I've done a close-up shot so you can see the texture on my hair. This is what you want your hair to look like. Once your hair looks like you're about to maybe do like a wash and go, then you know your braid out or your twist out is gonna come out super bomb. And this is what my hair looks like fully done. I'm gonna allow this to air dry and then obviously protect it by putting a bonnet on before bed. This is the following morning, and before taking my braids down, I'm using this Design Essentials hair and body moisturizer. It's a botanical oil blend that I've been using for quite a while. And what I do is like I coat my hands in that, and then I go in to take the braids down. Again, you can really tell that the braid out is gonna look really well just by the shine on my hair even before applying the oil. Like, it's retained the shine, it's retained the moisture, it's kind of like, you know, it's been sealed into my hair, and obviously that's evident with the takedown of the braids. Do you see the definition? I feel like coiling the ends of your hair with your fingers will definitely like help to seal the braid and not give you that frizz at the end. You know, everything just looks pretty seamless. Everything looks like, you know, what it needs to look like. And I'm really taking my time taking these braids down. And I'm also using my hands and not a comb, because I feel like using a comb to take your braids down is gonna cause frizz, is gonna disrupt that definition that you want. So yeah. Okay, and this is what it looks like. You can already tell that there is some product buildup. That's what I was showing you guys. But yeah, you can also see how defined the braid out itself is. I'm now gonna go into the styling and the shaping of my hair. I'm gonna use my hands and my fingers to like slightly fluff my hair out. You can still see the separation and everything, but to me that's fine. The less I disturb my hair on day one, I feel like the better it ages. Okay, so once I figure out what I want to do with my hair, I will take some edge gel. Any gel is fine for your edges, and I will just gently apply that and make sure like I'm taking my time to shape my hair exactly how I want it so it reflects the look that I'm going for. What I'm doing is gently just raking my fingers through my hair again to really not disturb the length of my hair where all that definition is, but to really just fluff up my roots a little bit. I'm avoiding using a comb because the comb is going to give me way too much frizz and it's not going to last as long as I would like it to last. So I'm going to go in with some clips and just clip that hair back because I really like that look of, you know, clipping my hair back. At least for now. And I got these clips from Target, if you was wondering, but you can also get it at your local like TJ Maxx or Home Goods, or you can order it online. But yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the amount of flake that I have, and I suspect is because of the leave-in conditioner and the gel. It just did not mix well. Throughout the day you can see how, you know, my hair kind of got more frizzy. It kind of shrunk up a little bit. It looks a lot thicker than what it looked like earlier, but I just put my bonnet on. That's what I'm gonna do to protect my hair and my skin, and then I am gonna go to sleep. This is the following day. I did not really do much because I did not want, you see that product residue falling on my skin or anywhere on my body. So what I did was I just put 2 clips in the front kind of to put it back. I think this was Saturday. Yes, this was actually Saturday. I was going to go get groceries, and so I just didn't want to do too much. I didn't feel like doing too much. But this is what day 2 looked like. So I just wanted to close out this video quickly to show you guys my hair on day 3, which I'm actually gonna wash it. It's actually day 7, but day 3 of this hairstyle. So no, wait, what am I saying? It's actually day 7 since my last wash, but it's day 3 of this hairstyle. And this is one of the few times where I'm just like, oh my god, my hair looks and feels so good that I don't want to wash the style out. But as you can see, like, the flaking, the buildup has just gotten progressively worse, and so I have no choice but to wash my hair today. I didn't add any more product, any water, any gel or anything. It's just that I don't know what it is in my routine currently that doesn't mix well with this coily custard from the Miss Jessie's brand, but I'm gonna figure it out because I did get some more of her products that I wanted to try out and show you guys. But this specific one, it's almost done, so there's not much trial and error I can continue to do with it. I do know that when I applied it by itself with nothing else in my hair, it did not flake. So maybe it's just one of those styling products that you probably don't need to add any moisturizer or anything else to it. Just use it by itself. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out though. So I got these 2 new products. This is the curly merengue and this one is the curly pudding. I'm gonna go deeper into these products once I actually use them, but I did want it to come on just to close out the video to show what the last day of this style, which is day 3, looks like. It's still pretty much intact. It could do a week if it wasn't flaking so much and breaking me out, because that's another thing. Like, I don't like leaving product buildup in my hair. It took everything in me not to wash this like 24 hours later, and I really struggled yesterday, but I was adamant that I really want to wash my hair on Sundays and just have that be my, you know, hair reset for the week. So I just left it alone. I kept it covered most of the time. If I wasn't going out, I had a bonnet on, so, you know, the buildup didn't affect me or follow my skin and break me out even more. So yeah, that is the end of the video. This is the style, the last day of the style. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you could see any other videos that I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.